In our homes, there is an extremely private space that holds our outer image, our clothing. It is also the place where every morning we choose how to present ourselves to the world. This space is the closet or walk-in wardrobe. In the study of Feng Shui, this invisible energy field profoundly influences our confidence, our mindset about wealth, and even our career opportunities. The closet is considered the hidden wealth vault of the home. The visible wealth vault is the living room, symbolizing flowing, shared abundance. The hidden wealth vault, however, represents our personal, accumulated energy and resources. A tidy, orderly closet filled with items you love symbolizes a person who is inwardly abundant, manages resources well, and treasures what they have. Such an energy field will naturally attract more abundance to flow in. Conversely, a chaotic closet, stuffed with old clothes and smelling musty, symbolizes energetic stagnation and disorder. On a subconscious level, it will continuously drain our energy, making us feel indecisive and lacking confidence when making choices. So, how do you transform your closet into a vault of abundant energy filled with positivity? Here are 3 core principles. Rule 1. The ultimate decluttering. The closet is the place that needs decluttering the most. Keep only those clothes that make you feel good and truly represent who you are right now. The space occupied by an old piece of clothing you dislike is precisely the space that a new opportunity you desire cannot enter. Rule 2. Order is energy. Organize your clothes by category, hanging or folding them neatly. An orderly closet represents a clear and orderly mind. When you open your closet each morning and see order instead of chaos, your energy state for the day begins on a positive note. Rule 3. Maintain freshness and negative space. Place some natural sachets, like lavender or cedarwood, in your closet. A fresh scent is a direct manifestation of Sheng Cure or vital energy. Also, do not overstuff your closet. Leave at least 20% of negative space or breathing room. This symbolizes that you are always keeping the door open for new possibilities and opportunities. Organizing your closet is far more than a household chore. It is a dialogue with your self-image, a recalibration of your inner sense of abundance, and a ritual to welcome the future. When you take control of this small private space, you will find you also have greater control over your own life. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will explore a special Feng Shui setups to enhance learning and exams. Thank you for watching.